DJ,
Hey.
hi again.
Hi.
Behind me, I can see suitcases. Tell me what they're for.
Well, the Kontak project is a project that we go do intervention in sex parties. But when you throw a sex party, you don't want a counselor there to tell you what to do or not to do or to watch you. You want everyone to be equal and be part of the party. Mm-hmm. So we decide to, let's
go here.
We decide to include sex toys, lube, in the gloves, everything people need for their sex life. We offer them. If we can get it for free, we offer it for free. If we have to pay for it, we will get it at the wholesale price from a distributor, and we will resell it at the same price that we will pay for it. So we will not make any profit. So it's really cheap to buy from us, but the main reason is not to sell sex toys. It's basically to create trust with people and to build bridge with them.
Okay. Because they need to know that your service is friendly and kind and not judgmental, and sometimes they think you are. So making a bridge like this helps them to see that you're just sexy dudes.
We are easy and we
we are easy.
We are easy and we are easy and we deliver.
We deliver, including
all the lube, and most of the intervention will not be made in a sex party either. Like, we'll just arrive there and have tons of sex toys, tons of lube, so people get to know us. We'll talk about the program, and then people will place an order with us.
Okay.
So we will special order their product, and then we'll deliver directly to their door in their space where they're comfortable, where no one else will be there. So they will be comfortable to ask the real question about chemsex, real question about their sexual health. So any question that they can come up with, they will feel more comfortable, because we don't judge. We are the same as them.
In chemsex in Europe, you probably wouldn't find a Naloxone kit in with the with the dildos, because we're in Canada, where there are an awful number of deaths.
Yeah.
Not from crystal meth, because it's kind of hard to die from a crystal meth overdose. It's from the fentanyl, which is sometimes mostly accidentally mixed in with the crystal meth. So tell me how Naloxone works.
Well, Naloxone is an antidote. The main thing with you said it's hard to die from crystal meth. The main reason it's not really that people mix fentanyl with crystal meth. It's the dealer that prepare their bags and will sell everything on the same scale. So sometimes a tiny bit, like a grain of salt, could cause an overdose. So if it stay on the scale and you put your crystal after on it, that's how it happened.
Okay, so if someone is having an overdose from the fentanyl in the crystal meth, this will just end that immediately and keep them safe. And it's either an injection or an inhalant up the nose.
Exactly. We have both, so depends on what people are more comfortable with.
Great. Saying goodbye to the dildos and the lube. And
Bye.
bye to DJ.